When Jimmy was a boy, he always liked watches and clocks very much. When he was 18 years old, he went into the army, and after a year, he began to teach himself to mend watches. A lot of his friends brought him broken watches, and he mended them for them. Then his captain heard about this, and one day he brought him a watch too, and said, "My watch has stopped. Can you mend it for me, please?" Jimmy said, "Yes, sir, I can." After a few days, he brought the watch back to the captain. "How much do I owe you?" the officer asked. £1, sir," Jimmy answered. Then he took a small box out of his pocket and gave it to the captain, saying, "Here are 3 wheels from your watch. I didn't find a place for them when I put everything back."
Exercise A. Which of these sentences are true and which are false? Write T or F in the boxes. Number 1.
Jimmy learnt to mend watches from a teacher.
Number 2.
He mended watches for his friends.
Number 3.
Officers didn't bring him watches.
Number 4.
He mended a watch for an officer.
Number 5.
He wanted the captain to pay him £1.
Number 6.
He mended the captain's watch very well.
Exercise B. Now answer these questions. Number 1.
What was Jimmy's hobby when he was a boy?
Number 2.
What did he do when he was 19?
Number 3.
What did he do for his friends?
Number 4.
Who brought him a watch then?
Number 5.
What happened after a few days?
Number 6.
What did the officer ask?
Number 7.
What did Jimmy answer?
Number 8.
What did he do and say then?